FEIC watch FK035 operation instructions button function instruction on the digital subdial button A backlight button B function mode button C button D time setting on digital subdial time calendar standard time display press button B for 2 seconds to enter the setting mode. Press button C to increase, press button D to decrease, press button B to adjust in sequence, seconds, minutes, hours, 12 or 24 hours system, month, day, year. Exit in 1 minute without operation. Alarm settings, standard time display, press button B to enter alarm mode, on-off alarm, press button C to select, press button B to confirm, press button B for 2 seconds to adjust the hour. Press button C to increase, press button D to decrease, press button B to adjust the minute, press button B to confirm and exit.